Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, October 19th, 2023. It is 9:20 and 10 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, tumors. So let's jump to it here. Researchers develop innovative technique for distinguishing tumor from normal tissue. Date October 16th, 2023. Source, Mass General, Reagan. The researchers have developed a visualization tool that combines high-speed cameras and fluorescent injection to distinguish tumor tissue from normal tissue across cancer types. The team evaluated the new imaging technology known as fluorescence lifetime imaging using specimens from more than 60 patients that underwent surgery of various cancers. The team reported that the technique was over 97% accurate across tumor types, with the potential to improve the accuracy of cancer surgery. The team laboratory has been studying fluorescence lifetime imaging since 2002, but this is the first time that anyone has combined it with tumor imaging and injectable dyes in humans. By doing so, we developed a technique for accurately distinguishing tumor tissues from healthy tissue across cancer types. And by using the advanced imaging techniques combined with the dye, surgeons in the near future will have the ability to more completely remove all malignant cells during tumor surgery, while at the same time, with confidence, spare normal tissue, enhancing post-operative function, and in some cases, the patient's appearance. The fluorescence imaging can use dyes to target cancer-specific molecules, but standard imaging techniques can have limited accuracy for detecting tumor margins or the edges of normal tissues that surround the tumor, since the expression of these molecules can vary widely within and across tumor types. Instead of relying on dyes only for targeting cancer, the technique uses high-speed cameras to detect changes in the property of the light emitted by tissue. In previous studies and preclinical models, this difference allowed the researchers to accurately distinguish between tumor tissue and normal tissue. And by building on this initial work, the team collaborated across multiple institutions and evaluated specimens from more than 60 patients representing multiple cancer types, including liver, brain, tongue, skin, bone, and soft tissue, who were treated. The team was also able to detect a fluorescent lifetime shift at the cellular level that was consistent across tumor types, and in the multiple patients, the technique was also able to distinguish benign from metastatic lymph nodes. Overall, it was more than 97% accurate at distinguishing tumor tissue from healthy tissue. The researchers' next step is to perform large-scale clinical trial to test the safety and efficacy of fluorescence lifetime imaging for tumor identification during surgery. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.